We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for dating advice. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a chat interface where you can start a conversation with GPT-4. To get dating advice, simply type in your question or describe your situation in the text box. For example, you might say, "I'm going on a first date and I'm nervous. What should I do?" Or, "How can I improve my online dating profile?" Hit enter to send your message. The AI will process your query and provide a response based on its training data. It can offer suggestions, tips, and insights on a wide range of dating topics, from conversation starters to managing relationship challenges. If you're not satisfied with the first response, you can ask follow-up questions or request more specific advice by providing additional details. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool that can simulate a conversation, but it's important to use your own judgment and consider seeking advice from trusted friends or professionals for more personal or sensitive matters. You can keep the conversation going as long as you like, refining your questions to get the most helpful advice possible. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.